Welcome guys to my channel High Tech Dev. Today in this video we are going to learn how to make the pendrive bootable. So guys, let's get ready to learn. First of all guys, we have to know what's the requirement to make the pendrive bootable. In first, we need the ISO file of the operating system which we are going to use. And second one is one computer and one pendrive and one Rufus application. Here guys, the pendrive should have more size than the ISO file. It's necessary. And in here guys, I have already an ISO file, one computer and pendrive. In this session, we just only need to download the Rufus application. And in this session guys, we are going to use the Windows 10 ISO file to make the pendrive bootable. If you don't know how to download the ISO file of Windows 10, then go to the description and click on the YouTube video link and learn how to download. So in here guys, to download the Rufus application, we need to open one browser. Here I have opened Chrome browser. And in the URL, we have to type Rufus to download the Rufus application. And in this tab, click on the first official link of Rufus application and scroll down. And in the section below the download, you can get the download link. Click on the link Rufus 3.11. And you can see it is in downloading. Now go to the location where it was in downloading. And now you can minimize the browser, and in here I'm just going to move the Rufus application at the desktop to show it more effectively. For that, simply drag and drop the application to the desktop. And now at this time you can see I have connected my pen drive to the USB. You can see it at right below corner. And now double click on the Rufus application to run it and to take it in use. And from this step you can also update it. And now you can see the Rufus application is in running. Now select the pen drive and below select the ISO file. Here I am going to select the Windows 10 which is in desktop. Select it, and now it's time to set the partition style. We have to know the hard disk partition style in which you are going to install the operating system. To check what's the partition style of the hard disk, we have to simply search disk management. And here I have searched, and you can see the disk management window. Right click on the disk and go to the property and simply click on volume, and now you can see partition style. And in here mine is GPT. Now minimize or close the disk management window and go to the Rufus application and select the GPT format and start. And now it gives warning about that it will delete all the data from the pen drive. Simply click on OK to allow it to format. And now in this time your pen drive is in formatting. You can see the pen drive icon was hidden from the desktop. After formatting, it will display automatically. And now you can see it was again displayed. And now in the Rufus application, the Windows ISO file and its setup are in loading in your pen drive. In here, I have fast forwarded the video to make it fast, otherwise it will take too much time. And now, and after 3 minutes it will be ready. And now you can see it is ready. Now simply close the Rufus application. And now I'm going to show you that the setup file is loaded successfully in the pen drive. And in here you can see all the file including the setup file are loaded successfully to your pen drive. And now guys, you can use this pen drive to boot any computer. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.